Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 1967 Chevy Custom, and this is by Hot Wheels from the premium series, more specifically from Fast and the Furious movie series. I really don't know in which particular movie this particular truck comes in, but this is the only one I was able to get, so I bought it. So okay, you can see it as like rest of these cars also, but I didn't get any of this. So scalpers came and they took literally everything in the set and leaving this one out. Okay, it says Furious 7. I never watched Fast and the Furious, I think after Tokyo Drift. So Tokyo Drift being my favorite Fast and the Furious in the entire franchise. Okay, with that said, let's unbox this one. Okay, so here's the card art. For once, the card art looks really nice because it actually has the entire uh, the truck inside the card itself, instead of cutting the rear out or the top out or the front out, something like that. This one is a really good card art. Okay, let me throw that away. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice, and it is really front heavy because only this part here, the cabin this is the metal part. So this one, yeah, the bed here, the entire bed is made of plastic. So it has the exhaust pipe here that looks really neat, and that is also plastic, that is not metal. And chassis is metal, so it has headlight detailing to it. It has a Chevy logo here, and so it has tail light detailing to it as well. So it says Han. Okay, that is Han's truck, it seems. So okay, so it has good interior detailing to it. Honestly, the interior detailing is pretty basic. It is not something extraordinary or exclusive. It doesn't feel that way, to be very honest. The door handle details looks really good. I mean, it is embossed and painted on top of it. Really nice. And the wheels are actually, the tires are rubber with plastic rims. This rim particularly looks really nice. Okay, so let's weigh this casting. So obviously it's a premium again, but it doesn't feel really that heavy if you ask me. 55 grams, not bad. Let's see if this one rolls. Not at all. Okay, compared to other two, I think this is doing good. Okay. So overall, this casting is actually really good. If you guys get a chance to pick this one up, please go ahead and do it. Don't miss this casting out. This actually looks really good. You can actually put something on top of this. Let's try. Okay. I expected so much from Hot Wheels. It seems you can't keep anything here. Okay. Fine. Let's rate this casting now. So it does have all the detailing to it, but I'm taking at least 0.5 out of this because I was hoping this is going to be a full metal, including the bed to be a metal, because we are obviously paying more than 500 rupees and the premium is actually established to have a full metal casting. So interior, I can agree, it is supposed to be plastic. I really don't mind about that, but this is actually exposed outside, and it is you guys are literally showcasing this as part of the casting. So it is supposed to be in metal, so I'm taking 0.5, so 9.5 out of 10 for this particular casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.